Hello to everybody. Today we have to discuss some examples on quotient group. This is a recapitulation for quotient group. The learning objectives of a quotient group. Here the student should be able to introduce the basic concept of abstract algebra, to develop the student's abstract and logical thinking capabilities. Here, to develop the student's mathematical ability to handle proofs. So, session outcomes: linking finite groups with quotient groups. The result is interesting methods to count the order of a group. Next, carry out calculations in quotient groups. So, these are prerequisites for quotient group. Examples for quotient group. The first one is: show that every factor group of a cyclic group is cyclic. Proof: let G be a cyclic group generated by the element A belongs to G. Let H be normal subgroup of G. Now, the set G by H is equal to HA such that A belongs to G. Here, G by H is a group under the binary composition HA dot HB is equal to HAB. Here, HAB belongs to G. We shall show that G by H is cyclic. Here, A is generator of G. Next, G belongs to G. This implies G is equal to A raised to N. N belongs to Z. Now Hg belongs to G by H. Therefore, Hg is equal to H into A raised to N. Hg is equal to H into A, comma A up to N times. Hg is equal to HA dot comma HA up to N factors. Hg is equal to HA N times. That is, H is generator of G by H. Hence, G by H is cyclic. Second example: show that any normal subgroup of G of order 2 is contained in Z of G. Solution: let H is equal to E comma A be normal of order 2 for any x belongs to G comma xa x inverse belongs to H and xa x inverse is equal to A. That is, xa is equal to Ax. Thus, A belongs to Z of G and H contained Z of G. Third example: show that every quotient group of an abelian group is abelian. Let G be an abelian group and N be a normal subgroup of G. Let NA, NB belongs to G by N be arbitrary. Next, NA into NB is equal to NAB by the definition of quotient group. This is equal to NBA because AB is equal to BA. Again, this can be written as nb into n. This implies, this means G by n is abelian. So summary of this session is, factor group of cyclic group is cyclic, and quotient group of an abelian group is abelian. Multiple choice questions. First one, how many elements are there in the factor group 2 by 12 in Z with respect to addition? Answer is 4. Second one is, what is the order of the element 14 plus 8 of the factor group Z minus 24 by 8? Answer is 4. Third one, a factor group of a cyclic group is cyclic. Fourth, M and N are normal subgroups of G. Which of the following is not normal in G? So answer is M union N. Fifth one, every factor group of a cyclic group is cyclic. Answer is A. So these are our reference books. Thank you very much.